Hey everyone, Chef John with Monogram Appliances. Today I'm in the Monogram kitchen tackling the task of making a king cake. We want to start with some yeast here. A couple of packets of that. We're going to dissolve that in some warm water. I just used our 5-in-1 to warm this up. It's got a little warm water setting, so I know that I'm not going to have the water too hot. We're going to do about a 1/2 cup of sugar. Start feeding that yeast. We've got some softened butter. We also have the milk here. Egg yolks, here we are. We've got our salt, just a little pinch of salt. Some fresh grating of lemon zest, nice fine microplane zester. Now we got the nutmeg. And we'll start with just a couple of cups of flour. Stir it in. And you can do this one of two ways. You can turn this out onto a floured surface, or you can use a stand mixer and your dough hook to start bringing this dough together. So all we got to do for the glaze is very simple. We make different versions of this in the kitchen a lot. Hard sauce, basically. Just a little bit of cinnamon here and some nice white sugar. And go ahead and give that a nice mix. Because it's the fun part, where you get to put the little plastic baby in there. Remember, whoever gets this in their piece of cake is the king for the day, and they get to make the cake next year. Chef John with Monogram Appliances. Enjoy your Mardi Gras, enjoy your king cake.